also relook at even how we treat, and national insurance must also come in, even those who are going out of the country. I know it supports, but all the time we have to go back, Mr. Speaker, and request for them to check, request for them if this can be paid. Some of those things you find that you have lost a patient, Mr. Speaker. So I will request that we relook more before we bring back this in the House. Let us look at the best way and the sufferings Kenyans have had on referrals within our country mostly. And with those few remarks, Mr. Speaker, I wish to tell the promoter, let us look at it and do more research before we bring it back to the House. Thank you.
Member for Kipipiri.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for giving me the opportunity to say something on this bill, which, Honorable Speaker, when you listen to all of us who are speaking, somehow one may get lost. Honorable Speaker, any bill, any motion, or any indication of any legislation, when it is being drafted, the drafter must be having some ideas to table. And as such, I want to believe the drafter of this amendment obviously had good intention. And what we should do is to look at this amendment in depth, other than condemning it, and we find what is that good intention that they move ahead and build on it. Honorable Speaker, first, we have raw professionals in all cadre, be it in legal, be it in the churches. We just recently had the Shakahola holders, be it a politician or every other avenue. And I think, or I feel, this is the sole reason why the mover of this bill was making this amendment, to try to regulate, because time and again we have seen, particularly doctors who own hospitals, who own pharmacies, do refer patients to their premises or their hospitals. And Honorable Speaker, when I look at this amendment and I read the Article 79, there are two different issues. First, the Article 79, which is being amended, it is speaking of the National Government Department of Health shall develop policy guidelines for referral mechanism, a system of referral for practitioners of, let's underline there, of